How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clip Overwatch with Medal. So the first thing that you want to do is to just set everything up with your quality, your screen recording, and more. Basically, the most important thing is to head over to the clip setting and then just make sure that you have set your hotkey and the duration of your clip right here. Turn this on, and then now we can start clipping our game. There's also the quick setting by navigating to the top of your screen, and then it will be inserted right here. Now, open up your Overwatch application. Basically, it's going to be the same thing for every applications out there. And then in most cases, the Overwatch will automatically be detected. So in my case, I'm using this Counter-Strike 2 as an example, because as of right now, my Overwatch isn't updated. Now, if not, you could just head over to the now clipping option, click on the switch to Overwatch 2, and from there you can now start clipping your game. If not, click add game, and then you could see your game right here. This is basically the open applications on your Windows. Select Overwatch, and from there you're simply good to go. So in my case, I'm just going to switch to my Counter-Strike or to your Overwatch, and then it will confirm that right here. Now we're ready to clip. Head over to Overwatch and then just press your hotkey, and then it will be clipped right here. Just make sure to head over to library, and then you can see your clipped Overwatch. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.